Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another website, but this website you can claim unlimited time and without any timer. You can claim from here, and just I'm going to this website. This is for Dogecoin. First of all, copy your Dogecoin wallet address from deposit and come in this website, paste your Dogecoin wallet address. Sorry, I just clicked that one. Okay, I just click copy and come in this website, paste your Dogecoin wallet address. First of all, solve the edge capture. Is a track available in this picture? Just click the alt track. You see it. Just click verify and then solve this capture. Okay, it's not too hard, it's so easy capture to solve it. And just click claim reward, and one time show you this one. Okay, just click I'm human, I'm not robot. Okay, or you just come in this website, just click claim again, and you can see you can claim again and solve the capture again. Is a train and solve this capture, and just click get reward, and you can see this website send me again, and I can claim again. And I go to faucetpay to show you the withdraw proof from this website to this website send me or not. And now you can see this website send me I claim 2 times, this website send me 2 times. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description.